Okay, so this week I've actually had about 3 inquiries about my oil cooler and oil filter relocation setup. I bought a setup from G Plus that was on eBay for 300ZX turbo model. It comes with a sandwich adapter that will connect to where the OEM oil filter goes. Then it's got the braided hoses that will go up to the relocation kit. And the braided hoses will get you down to where the oil cooler would sit up. I removed my fog lights to do mine, and then the hose. There's enough hose to get it back up in here. It does come with 2 places where you can do oil pressure and oil temperature. I'm actually adding the oil pressure sensor and gauge this week. The install on it was pretty simple. You just put the sandwich adapter on like you would an oil filter. Just tighten it down. Connect up the 2 hoses to come up. One hose goes here, the other hose goes down the oil cooler, then back from the oil cooler back to here, and then back down to there. So it does the full return. For installation wise, the bracket that came with the housing assembly, I just had to widen the hole here a little bit, and it actually mounted up on this one, on this bracket that was already there. This was what was originally mounted up here, and so I just relocated it down here by simply just bolting it into the other one that was already down here. So it kind of looks like that's originally where it was at. That looks like that's kind of where it should go. Plenty of hood clearance. The hood clearance doesn't hit it. It's actually a very, very good setup. And the set it up so the sensors are facing backwards, so they'll go directly back there. But the unit I bought was G Plus. I'll add the link from eBay for the exact unit I bought. But they also make one where it's just a filter relocation if you don't want to do the cooler. So like I said, I removed my fog light, put that in, and then I also have a trans cooler on this side. And I bought the cooler from the same company, so that way I had matching coolers and just removed both. So that's what I ended up doing. But G Plus is it called, the company. I bought it off eBay. Any 300ZX one will work. Took maybe like an hour or so to hook it up. I already had my bumper off and everything, so that wasn't a big deal. But here you go.